Good morning, student of class 7. I am a computer teacher Sonjit sir. Today I am going to show you conversion from binary to decimal. Okay, conversion from binary to decimal. In my previous video, I already discussed about to convert from decimal to binary. Today I am going to discuss about conversion from binary to decimal number system. Here you can see an example. The binary number. First of all, we need to read this. Okay, to convert a number from binary to decimal number system, each digit of number has to be added. Okay, each digit of number has to be added, and starting from right to left, that means each digit. Okay, one two here you can see the digits. Okay, all digits are need to be added, and starting from right to left. Okay, right to first number is 1, then right to left. Okay, right to left to the product of the place and the phase values. The phase values is digit itself, and the place value can be found and rising the current base with the increasing value starting from 0. Okay, so here you can see where the base is 2 and the rising value is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, this is how the number is increasing when the binary number is more than this. Okay, so now we how we can calculate converts from binary to decimal number. Okay, so here you can see the example number 1, 111101. Okay, this is the binary number, and this binary number base is 2, and we need to convert this binary number in decimal number system. Okay, so we write here right to left. Okay, right to left, so we write here 1 and into base is 2, so to the power 0. Next is plus. Here you can see next number is 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 and plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. The power is increasing. Okay, the increasing value starting from 0 here and increasing 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now we will add this number each digit. Okay, so here you can see 1 2 to the power 0, so that means 1 is here. Okay, next is 0 into 0 ko we don't take the zeros. Okay, we don't take the zeros, we only take the ones. Okay, we only take the ones, so 0 is 0. Next is 1 into 2 to the power 2, so 2 to the power 2 square means 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, 4 into 1 is 4. Next is 2 to the power cube, so 8 into 1 is 8. Next is 2 to the power 4, so this is 16 into 1 is 16, and 2 to the power 5 is 32 into 1 is 32. Okay, so we add this number 1 4 8 16 32, so we get 61. Okay, 61 by 61, the base is 10, so this is a decimal. Okay, this is the decimal. Now I will show you another example. Here you can see 100111, so we write the numbers from right side. Okay, 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1, the power is increasing. Okay, here you can see 0 into 2 to the power 3, 0 into 2 to the power 4, and 1 into 2 to the power 5. So we take this 1. Next is 2 to the power 1 into 2, so this is 2. Okay, 2 to the power 1, 2 into 1 is 2. Here you can see 2 to the power 4, so 4 into 1, so 4. We already have told that we don't take the zeros. Okay, we don't take the zeros, so 0 and 0 is here. Okay, we don't take the zeros. Next is 1 into 2 to the power 5 is 32, so 1 2 4 32, 1 2 4 32. Okay, we take this and this. Okay, so 1 2 4 and 32, the sum is 39, so 39 is the decimal number. Decimal number. Okay, decimal number, the 39 is the decimal number. नाउ आई विल टेल यू इन हिंदी फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. हम लोग को क्या करना है, ये जो बाइनरी नंबर है उसको राइट से लेफ्ट साइड तक लिखना है, और राइट से लेफ्ट साइड तक लिखना है, और जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है 1 इंटू 2⁻0. 2 इज द बेस ऑफ द बाइनरी नंबर. ओके, 2 इज द बेस ऑफ द बाइनरी नंबर. सो 0 starting from 0. Here you can see starting from 0. Then 1 into 2⁻1. The power is increasing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the increasing value starting from 0. So 0 is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, increasing the power values. Okay, and we write our 1, then 1, then 1. All the base is 2. Okay, 2. We need to multiply by 2 and with the power. Okay, so here you can see we found 2 into 1 1. Here you can see 2⁻1 is 2. 4. Here you can see we हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जीरो जो जीरो होगा उसको नहीं लेंगे. ओके, जीरो होगा उसको नहीं लेंगे क्योंकि जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई करने से जीरो ही आता है. सो वी राइट एज जीरो. हेयर यू कैन सी ऑल्सो राइट एज जीरो. सो next is 32. So the sum is 39. 39 is the decimal, and we find the decimal number from this binary number. Okay, now I am going to show you conversion of decimal fraction into binary. Decimal fraction into binary. Okay, decimal fraction into binary. Here you can see the for example convert 0.875 into binary. 0.875 into binary. It is very easy. Okay, we write the example here 0.875 and the binary base is 2. So we need to multiply by 2. Okay, we need to multiply by 2. So the result is 1.75. 1.75. Here you can see we take this one. Okay, we take this one. So we write here 1. Okay, we write here 1. Next is 75. We take this 75.75 into 2. So the result is 1.50. 1.50. So we write here this one. Okay, we write here this one. Okay, next is 50. The 50.50 into 2. So here you can see the result is 1.00. So we write this one and the calculation is done. Okay, the calculation is done. We write 0.111 by 2. This is the conversion of binary. Okay, so this is the conversion of. सो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है कि हम लोगों को 0.875 को क्या करना है, बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है. दिस इज द डेसिमल नंबर. 0.875 जो है वो क्या है, डेसिमल नंबर, उसको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है. बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है तो फिर हम लोग को क्या करना होगा, बेस 2 है, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. 875 को अगर हम लोगों ने मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1.75 आएगा. ओके, 1.75 आएगा. जो यहाँ पे 1 आया, पॉइंट से पहले जो 1 आया है उसको हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, और जो पॉइंट के बाद का जो 75 नंबर आया है उसको हम लोग यहाँ से दोबारा मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, दोबारा 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे क्योंकि बेस है 2. सो दोबारा मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद क्या आया, 1.50. ओके, 1.50. सिमिलरली इस 1 को हम लोग पॉइंट से पहले जो 1 है उसको हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, और नेक्स्ट पॉइंट के बाद जो डेसिमल नंबर है उसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दोबारा से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. दोबारा से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद यहाँ पे क्या आया है, 1.00. ओके, 1.00. सो 00 तो एंड हो गया, और यहाँ पे जो 1 है उसको हम लोगों ने यहाँ लिख दिया. सो क्या हुआ, पॉइंट के बाद था ये 0.875. सो बाइनरी नंबर इज 0.111. ओके, दिस इज द बाइनरी नंबर. ओके, so I hope all of you can understand the fraction conversion, decimal fraction into binary, and also conversion from binary to decimal, conversion from binary to decimal, and conversion from decimal fraction into binary. Okay, all of you need to practice this to understand the topic. Okay, understand the topic. I am ending my discussion here. Today I am ending my discussion here. I will discuss the exercise question answer in my next video. So till then, take care and goodbye.